snow, but it stinks really, really bad.
This isn't gonna be fun.
Duh.
Well, you duh. Don't call me duh.
What about if you use paddle?
Ooh, it is paddle accessible. Hey, hand me your paddle.
Fuck no.
There's another one in the canoe. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. The dog's growling.
I don't know at what. She's turned around facing the other way.
Oh my gosh, who is the crazy guy that put this up here?
Drunk redneck.
Drunken redneck.
Who wanted you to die?
Okay, I give up.
Can't get it?
No, don't encourage him either because I'm afraid this is like one of those death missions. You know what I mean? I mean, look at the rope.
Well, I came around the rope.
It's not fit to hold a 50-pounder. I guess I'm drifting away. Hopefully the girls will give you a ride.
Can you even climb up the tree? Yep.
It's a long drop.
Watch out for them rocks. Okay, we're about how many miles in?
Yeah. Baby.
I can't believe he
Oh, I
made...
totally